and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at question 12 in the 2024 grades 7 to 8 Math Kangaroo question paper. So, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. The diagram shows 5 equally big semicircles and the length of 5 distances. How big is the radius of one semicircle? So we know that the diagram has 5 equally big semicircles, and they have given us the length of 5 distances, and our job is to find out how big the radius is. So, let's go ahead and start solving this problem. Since we know that each of these semicircles have the same diameter, let me just focus on this middle one right here. So this middle one, we know that the length from here to here is 16. So if we divide it in half, that means over here would be 8 and over here would be 8. Similarly, let's look at this diameter of this circle right here. We see that the length from here to here is 22. Now we can see that 22 is way past the half line, so if we were to cut this in half, we can see that 22 is greater than the radius of these semicircles. So given this, we know that D or E cannot be the answer. So now, looking at 12, 16, and 18, let's try substituting them to see which one is the correct answer. So let's start with A, 12. So if the radius is 12, that means that the diameter is twice the radius. So the diameter would be 24. So from 8 to get to 12, that would mean from here to here, it would be 4. And if this is 4, we know that the length of this is 16. So 24 minus 16, the length from here to here would be 24 minus 16, 8. But if we add 22 and 8 together, we get 30. But the diameter should be 24, and 30 is not equal to 24, which must mean that A can't be our answer. Next, let's look at B. So, if the radius is 16, that means that the diameter is twice the radius. So the diameter is 32. So looking at our middle circle, if the diameter is 16, 16 minus 8 means this would be 8. So let's see, we have 8 plus 12, 20. So 32 minus 20 would be equal to 12. But when we add 12 and 22 together, we get 33. And our diameter is 32. So 33 is not equal to 32. So B can't be the answer either, which means C must be our answer. But let's just make sure. So if C is our answer, so the radius is 18, that means that the diameter would be twice the radius, 36. 36. So, let's see, we have 8 here, so that must mean that 18 minus 8 over here would be 10. So we have 12 plus 10, so that would be 22. So 36 minus 22, which means this area would be 14. And then we have 22 and 14, which if we add together, we get 36. And 36 is equal to 36. So that must mean that the answer to this problem is C. Thanks for watching.